This video chart presentation is CGX Energy Inc. CGX trades on the Toronto Venture Exchange under ticker OYL. Picked this up in a bullish investor scan this morning. See, over the course of 3 months, stock slowly but surely making higher lows and progressively trying to make higher highs as well, establishing an upward channel. There's a little bit of a resistance level right in here at around 12 cents, and the stock closed right against that Wednesday. 301,000 shares traded, a little bit of an uptick in volume over previous days. With that, I want to keep this on radar to see if it's going to punch through that resistance point, and if it does, I think it'll go up here and try and take out these highs at 14 cents and continue this upward channel. See, with this last move from around 7 cents up to double at 14 cents, MACD was putting together a nice upward trend, going through and establishing a channel. Cooled off since then as the stock's been trending sideways, even slightly down, but it's at these points we always talk about wanting to see the MACD hold over top of zero and make its rotation and try and go back into bull mode. Now, the histogram bars, they're trending up a little bit and giving hints that zero mark might hold. So it's time to pay attention to it and see if it drops a bullish cross and extends this overall bullish trend. Pretty neutral reading from the slow stow, holding right around 50. If it rotates, of course, that's a good sign. Making the higher low, trying to push back above 50, showing bullish momentum is growing in the play. Now, the money flow index, it's reached oversold territory. Of course, that's not a great sign. It's a bearish condition, but perhaps it could be time for a technical bounce. So I'll just be looking for that to rotate from below 20. Start to make its way back towards 50 and show people are starting to pay higher prices over 14 session averages. Relative strength index registering right around 50. Again, that's a pretty neutral reading. What's often referred to as a battle between the bulls and bears to gain control of momentum. I always want to see the RSI holding over top of 50 and certainly uptrending to show that momentum is building. And over the last few weeks, getting a little bit of a hint that that may be going on. But what mostly caught my eye was the support level. Let's just say this slow upward trend, or channel if you will, of the stock making higher highs and higher lows. I put a bottom support down here at 10 cents. As it is a little bit mixed through there, there's some more at 11. And it certainly could drop all the way back down to about 8.5 and pick some more up through there. But with the concept of wanting to see this upward trend continue, I'd be looking for it to hold 10 cents. And even with it closing at 12 cents on Wednesday, that puts the stop loss a little bit further than typically I like to see. I generally want to keep it within 10%, and that's just outside those parameters. So that 10-cent mark will be pretty important to me. Now, as I said, there's some resistance at 12 cents. And again, that's a little bit scattered. There's certainly some more there at 12.5 cents. And could even be said there's some more at 13.5, 14 cents. But I want to see if it's going to come off of this move yesterday where it gapped down to start the day and then closed higher than it opened. And I want to see if that's a sign of some momentum building and if it's going to push forward. And if it does, I think it'll take out these resistance points pretty easily and make a run at this 14-cent mark to try and go through and potentially even make some new highs. Volume's not the greatest in this for the stock only trading at 12 cents. But 300,000 shares is a definite uptick over previous days. And if this momentum is going to continue to gather steam, I'm going to want to see an increase in volume so it has as much strength as possible behind it to try and blow through 14 and make the new high and continue that pattern. It's a pretty nice looking chart though. You can see over 3 months, nice upward trend established. And one we'll be watching to see if it can continue. As always, merely my interpretation of the OYL chart. I'm not a financial consultant. Strongly encourage you to do your own proper due diligence. Consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Please visit the allpennystocks.com website to view the full disclaimer disclosure, and do not base any investment decisions on any material found on the website and/or this video chart. No person employed by All Penny Stocks is a registered investment advisor, licensed broker-dealer. Thank you for watching. Trade smart.